What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another edition of the Mom and Son Show.
I'm the mom.
And I'm the son, and today we have a very big fighting episode. Disney or Universal, what side are you choosing? That's right, we are ranking anything from kids' rides all the way to the darkest rides, and we have it right here for you. Which ones are the best, and essentially, which park is the best? Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. As a professional station we are, Mom, I completely forgot to hit the button. That's why I said don't go anywhere twice.
Oh, okay. So are we on or no?
We are rolling. We are ready to go. The
Okay,
fans
cool.
are waiting. The commenters are waiting to see who wins. And I see you have Tron in the background. But before that,
Yes.
you were on a little vacation, and we had technical difficulties last week, which is why we did not come out with a show. But we
Yep.
definitely wanted to get this out because, as you can see me behind me, the Golden Ticket Awards came out the other day.
Like who
And
are the winners?
we are excited. And what the golden ticket is we'll go into that in a little bit later. But let's
Yeah.
go ahead and jump into what we're talking about today. Huh? Shall
Okay.
we, Mom? Huh? 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 Shall we?
Sure.
Shall we? Shall we?
Sure.
Let's go with
We have, yeah, a little bit of people attention, just a quick news flash. Okay, so Blizzard Beach is now closed, so don't go to Blizzard Beach. The red overlay over at Tron, it's to introduce their new movie that just came out. So
yep.
that looks pretty cool. And then something that people have noticed is the restaurant Marrakesh in Morocco Pavilion. The placard is down and there's just a blank one there. So nobody knows what, if anything, is going to be going in there.
That's
So
it's huge news, people, because nobody cares. I don't know why.
let's go. Let's go.
Disney people are so weird.
Okay, so your special bonus, if you're looking to purchase an annual pass, that expires September 30th. So make sure
That
you
gives
get
you
your
a
money.
$100 gift card, right?
Well, it depends on the levels.
Okay.
But the bottom line is it gives you a little bit better than doing the 5% at Target or wherever. So you do save money with it. However,
Nice.
that's going away, but then look what's coming. Click. So Florida residents are able to get 3 days, 3 parks. It does not include Magic Kingdom. And I'm going to repeat that. Does not include Magic Kingdom. So
Whoa.
don't buy this ticket and then complain because you can't get into Magic Kingdom. It does not work there. $210 plus tax. And if you want the park hopper, you add it on for $40. Good through October, from October 5th through December 23rd. No blackout dates. So
Whoa.
this is a pretty good deal if you're not interested in going to Magic Kingdom. So for those Epcot goers, probably a great deal. And the other thing that this one does too is it doesn't. You can go to 2 parks, 2 of the same parks. So you can go to Epcot twice. A lot
Oh
of
yeah,
times it
yeah, yeah.
was a
That's
lot of
cool.
times it was just one park.
This might be
So
if you have a Pixie Pass like my wife and I. This might be a
mm,
perfect pass for you
to
because
get in on the weekends.
we have a lot of blackout dates and we can't go in on the
Yeah.
weekends. This is a
Hmm.
really good deal. Cool.
Yep. Okay. And then of course
Sad
there's the
news
announcement.
yesterday.
Gino was part of the opening day when Animal Kingdom opened up. He was 44 years old. He would be 45 coming up in December. He has 14 kids, and he was the oldest gorilla at Animal Kingdom.
He was there since
So
day one. That's
yeah,
unbelievable. So
yeah. So he
that's
was cool. I
yeah.
I saw him quite frequently.
Oh yeah.
So
Yeah.
rest in peace. And then they still are working on level 99. Every once in a while, new little bits of information comes out about, coming soon, coming soon. I thought it was dead in the water, but, you know, we're waiting for it.
No,
It's
it's
going to
coming.
be,
They're just have. It's
yeah,
so high tech, and there's
yeah,
so many different games inside, and they want it to be perfect. So it's going to take a little bit,
yep,
but that's all right.
yep. Can't wait. Can't
Yeah,
wait.
it's going to be great.
All
It's going to be
right.
great.
And now, why we're here.
Yes.
Let the battle begin. Disney versus Universal.
Now, what the gold? Do you go into what the golden?
Yeah, right there
Okay,
you
there
go.
we go.
Okay. You want me to do it or you want
Oh
to do
yeah,
it?
no, these are your slides. I just tell you what to do.
Okay, so there's a publication called the Amusement Today. It comes out monthly and it ranks the rides and it presents Golden Ticket Awards yearly. So the way that these awards are given out is it's based on surveys that are given to park enthusiasts, industry journalists, and also ride manufacturers around the world. So it would be interesting to see who actually gets it. So coming in, first place, best new attraction installation. So new build. They said it had an amazing queue, there's immersive theming, and it's a spectacular ride system.
The Battle
Okay,
of the
so
Ministry
the
at Harry
Battle of the
Potter.
Ministry,
This one will go to Epic,
yep, that is
which
epic.
if we haven't been there yet, but this
No.
the whole immersive Harry Potter just to get to this ride and the Ministry is unbelievable. I've heard, and it looks amazing. So
It
well
was down
deserved.
yesterday until further notice. So what I did is any Florida park ride, whatever that came in the top 5, I put those in so you can see where Disney ranks with Universal. So second place went to Stardust Stardust
Stardust
Racers,
Racers, yeah.
which again is epic, and then fourth place was the Constellation Carousel.
So essentially, I mean, here's the thing: you're always going to get your rides should get the top 5 if you're a brand
Yes,
new theme park. So this is no
correct.
surprise that they got 1, 2, and 4. It's really not. And I'm
I'm
surprised they
glad you.
didn't get 3, but the other rides
Yeah,
may
I
have
forget
gotten
what three.
awards that they didn't want to give them to.
Right.
Whatever. We'll find
Yeah.
out.
Okay. So best new roller coaster, surprise, Stardust Racers.
Yeah.
Okay,
Great
so
ride. Heard it's like the
dual
Dueling
launch.
Dragons.
Yep.
Maybe not as good as Velocicoaster,
Yeah.
but it's still a great ride, is what I heard.
Speeds up to 62 miles per hour.
Yeah.
And then the best dark ride, Monsters Unchained, the Frankenstein Experiment. They said they have very innovating elements. The animatronics are amazing. The state of the art ride technology is like out of this world. So that's a interesting one. I mean, it looks fantastic.
Yep. Looks great. Looks great.
Okay.
Number
Second
2.
place was Harry Potter. And then third place, hey, Disney snuck in there, Hollywood Studios with their Rise. Now, going back to what you said, when Rise of the Resistance first came out, they took the first place probably the first 3 years.
Yep.
So you are 100% correct with that analogy there.
Yeah. So it might
So,
be that the fact that maybe next year Rise takes back over just because it's not a new
mhm,
thing and they have better reviews. This is all based on reviews, guys. It's not there's
right,
nothing
right,
depends on how many
right.
reviews. I don't know if you know how when you walk into the theme parks, when people come up to you or when you get out, I wonder
Mm,
if those reviews have anything to do with it as well. So if you just shake them
mm,
off, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But
yeah,
keep going.
yeah. So the best theme concept is again Epic Universe with their dark universe, and that looks really cool. What I see online, especially at night,
Yeah.
and the sound system and the fog.
I'm actually
It,
surprised the Mario World didn't get it.
mm,
Or the Donkey Kong World, whatever you want to call it. But this is,
hold on, you'll see it. You'll see
yeah,
it
yeah,
soon.
yeah.
So there you go. They came in second place for the best new theme concept.
Yeah.
So that looks like a fun ride. And then the best water park, the Volcano Bay. Now that's been around for a while.
Yeah, this
So
is super surprising. When my buddies
yeah.
and I went, we went a long time ago. This was probably right during COVID, so it was
Hmm.
very empty and things weren't working correctly. So we did
Hmm.
not have the best experience here. So we'll have to give it another chance if they think it's
Hmm.
the best water park. The cool thing is it does have when you get a wristband. So when you
Hmm.
go up to a ride on some of the rides, you scan in and then you come back, so you don't have to wait in a
Okay.
2 hour
I have
line.
I have to look that up because I believe I just recently saw something. It's called the Tapu Tapu band or something that they're going to be discontinuing that.
Oh, okay.
So I'll
Well,
leave a
it was a
message.
joke anyways.
Yeah.
It didn't
Oh,
work
okay.
right, so
Didn't
that's
work
what I
right.
was saying. It was
Yeah.
it was horrible.
Yep. Yep. The best family park. Okay, so now we're getting into those were all the golden tickets, the first place. So now we get in top 5. The best family park overall was fifth place was Legoland. And then the best family
Wow.
coaster, second place came Hiccup Swing Gliders.
Wow,
Okay.
so none of the Magic Kingdom or Epcot, not even Family Ride, not even a family park in the top 5. That's Disney.
Nope.
That's tough, Disney. That's
Nope.
and then not even a
Nope.
best family coaster. Not even a
Nope.
best family coaster. That's
Nope.
rough.
Like
That is
Slinky
rough.
Dog, like we're Slinky Dog. And then the best water ride was Dudley Do Right,
At Universal,
fifth
number
place at
5.
Universal. The
No,
best
at
kids
Islands of
area,
Adventure. Sorry, guys, Islands of
I love
Adventure.
Adventure. Yeah. Best kids area came in for Nintendo World, and that's at Epic.
Okay, you're
Okay,
going
so
in and
again, all
out,
your
Mom, and you're
newer.
frozen right now. And okay, now you're back a little bit. Yep. Um,
Okay,
all right,
it's
best
really
kids
cold here.
area,
Of course,
Super
I'm
Nintendo
frozen.
World. All right, moving on.
Uh
Best
huh.
family, new family attraction. Number 2 was
New
the
one.
Battle
Okay, so of
at
course,
Ministry. Uh-huh.
and 3 was Monsters
Monsters
Unchained,
Unchained.
and
Excellent.
4th was Bowser's Challenge.
So all of
So
Epic.
again,
Yeah.
Epic.
It's
Yep.
tough to compete with a
Yep.
brand new
Epic, epic,
park because
epic.
everybody's excited about
Ex-
it. So
and especially a park that opened up so many worlds.
yeah,
You
yeah.
know, if it was just one area, we probably wouldn't see. Uh, the best water park ride came in 3rd was the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. And that's the one at Volcano Bay, and that goes through the volcano itself.
And this is
And
the one that you have to scan in.
it's a pretty long
So
ride. Yep.
it's a very long ride, and it's
Yeah.
more of like a roller coaster type. That's why it's a
Yes.
coaster. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
It's interesting that Volcano Bay got the best water park, but yet they only got third on one of their rides. Just
Yeah.
saying.
Yep. So, all in all, which park, I think this is easy to know, is the best park of 2000? I don't know why I put 2005. I guess I missed a 2 there.
Hey, you went
So it
back
actually
in
is,
time. Best park
it's
in
actually,
2025 had to be
and look, I did it on both
whoa,
slides. It was in
Germany,
Germany. And look at the bottom right. They have a building that's very similar to Epcot,
right?
to Spaceship Earth. So Europa Park is supposed to be really awesome, and that's in Germany.
Excellent.
So I thought that was interesting,
Well, I
with
think
all of
it's
the other
interesting.
first.
Maybe you're looking at the 2005 data because we're in 2005 again
No,
on the top.
no, no, because I just
I
copied the
know.
slide. Okay. And the second place, obviously, is Epic.
Epic.
So, so what do you think, guys? Do you agree with that?
Well,
Do you think that in a couple of years Disney will pop back in when they start opening up their new ones?
I'm just so confused. Like how
Mhm.
I don't understand how Disney didn't hit. I don't think Disney got a single thing in the top 5 out of all of
Yes,
their
yes, they got Rise for the dark ride
one ride out of all.
in 3rd place. And that the only things I listed were the ones that they gave awards for.
That's
There's
what I'm.
still other there's like 30 categories.
Yeah, I know, but those are the big categories that everybody
Mhm.
wants to see, and it's just
Yep.
it's mind blowing. And this is what this is why Disney fans are so upset
Mhm.
and they're excited for something new because Disney was just stagnant for
Mhm.
so
Mhm.
long because nothing like in the area there was nothing new, nothing big. And
Right.
then once Epic
Right.
came, then they're like, "Oh crap, we better start opening up new rides. We better start doing this because the the magic is
Yeah.
gone at Disney." Like this just proves it. There's nothing
Mhm.
going on at Disney.
I'm predicting that once the Monsters Inc. roller coaster opens, that's going to change things.
That will be a top.
Yeah,
Well,
because
I don't
it's a
know.
new design. It's
Yeah, but
it's
it's
a
not a
new
roller
ride.
coaster. It like the
No, but
roller
it could be
coaster.
like the best family ride or something like
Oh,
that.
okay, yeah. I'm really
Not
surprised that Velocicoaster is still not top 5 on there
Yeah,
for best roller coaster. Like
yeah,
that, nothing beats that roller coaster.
yep,
We were just on
yep,
it this past
yep,
Sunday, and it was
yep.
the most amazing. Like you are in it the
And
whole way.
and what was the wait time? We were on it in 22 minutes.
22 minutes. It was
Yeah,
awesome.
everything
It
else
was
was a
awesome.
walk on. It was great.
All right, Mom. Well, what
So,
is the joke you have for today?
well, it's not very good, but
Oh
it's a
boy.
joke.
All right. Well, let's
So,
hear it.
why couldn't Monday pick up Saturday?
Why couldn't Monday pick up Saturday? Because I don't know,
Because it's a weekday.
Mom.
What's your fact? I told you it wasn't that good.
Mom, because no,
What's your
Mom.
fact?
I don't know.
It's
I don't know.
WEAK as opposed to WEAK. Oh my
Don't worry
gosh.
about that, everybody. Don't worry about that. Well, see, this is what happens when I get out my facts.
Well, maybe you
Uh,
should have had it ahead of time.
no, Mom. Who needs to have it ahead of time?
In the words of Rafiki, oh no, not Rafiki, be prepared. Who was it?
Uh, what? What? Be prepared? That was Scar.
Yes.
Be prepared. Anyways, for a Halloween celebration at Disneyland in 1995, because we are talking about Halloween these days.
And I
Um,
was in 2005 earlier, so.
yes, so 1995 is perfect. Cast members carved a pumpkin that weighed 516 pounds. You
Wow.
try carving that big of a pumpkin.
Why would they
Boom.
do that?
I don't know. But in 2 weeks, guys, we are going to Halloween Horror Nights, and
Yes.
we finally get to experience Beacon Barrel, and we cannot wait.
Yep.
My wife, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, and my parents cannot wait. We're excited
Yep.
for it. We're making shirts. We're going all out, and we're
Oh,
going to give
we
you a
are?
report. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, you're making shirts. We're not. But
Okay.
let us know what you
Alrighty.
think. Please leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. We are at 208 subscribers. Let's try to get to 210 by the end of this video. That would be awesome.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. I'm the mom.
And I'm the son, and this is the Mom and Son Show.